Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're excited to introduce PortaSwitch Maintenance Release 118, packed with new features and enhancements. As always, every 7 weeks we'll bring you updates that can improve your telecom operations. Stick with us to discover what's new and how these improvements can work for you. Let's start with the feature that makes it easier to manage mobile services with phone numbers prefixed with plus sign. Now PortaSwitch automatically removed the plus sign for both caller and destination numbers. Why is this important? In mobile communications, the plus sign indicates that the phone number includes a country code, ensuring it is not mistaken for a local dial-in format. And so it is commonly used when storing phone numbers or managing rate decks. However, the E164 standard, which is common in the VoIP industry and used by PortaSwitch, requires phone numbers to begin with a country code, followed by the area code without the plus sign. By automatically removing the plus prefix, PortaSwitch ensures correct number matching in tariffs, call bearing, call screening, and other features. Imagine a VoIP provider launching mobile services. They can use the existing PortaSwitch configuration of tariffs, call screening rules, or vendor connections. They just need to create a new product for mobile subscribers. When customers dial numbers with plus sign, PortaSwitch automatically removes it to match existing rates. No extra setup is required. Next, MR118 opens up even more possibilities for creating custom voice applications. With the Enhanced Call Control API, you can now create auto dialers for telemarketing, surveys, or sending reminders. For example, a virtual assistant can remind patients of upcoming appointments and let them confirm or reschedule. You can also build click-to-call solutions that enable calls directly from a web page or CRM with a single click. For example, a browser extension allows users to click a number on any website and connect via their IP phone. Although this setup of custom IVRs or auto attendants has been simplified. For example, if you've created a parcel tracking application, there is no need to configure special access numbers for users. Simply assign a DAD number to the designated auto attendant account and enable the Use the Application option. Users can then access the parcel tracking IVR by dialing that phone number. Now let's talk about a change that brings more clarity to bundle configurations. Prepaid bundles, quotas, and service wallets are now represented as distinct bundle types with new names that better reflect their functionality. The first type is balance-dependent renewable bundles, formerly prepaid bundles. These are designed for prepaid services, where activation and renewal happen only when a customer puts a sufficient amount of money into their balance. And if there is no money, there is no service provided, but the customer does not accumulate any further debt. This is perfect for prepaid SIM service of mobile operators. The second type is renewable by calendar bundles, formerly quotas. These are suitable for postpaid customers with automatic renewals based on the calendar cycle, regardless of the customer balance or unsettled invoices. Customers will continue to receive the service until they are suspended. And the third type is one-off with top-ups bundles, formerly service wallets. These provide service allowances for a specific service category that can be topped up as needed. For instance, a pay-as-you-go customer might purchase extra international minutes for calls to the United Kingdom, paying $10 for 500 minutes. These minutes are then reserved and maintained separately from their balance used for other calls. These changes make it easier for admins to differentiate between bundle types tailored to various business scenarios. Here's more good news for admins. Rate uploads are now much more convenient with new design. The modern interface provides a clear overview of all rate important steps. Matching data columns to rate parameters is more intuitive, with drop-down menus replacing the previous drag-and-drop method. It's now easier to identify rate changes at a glance and filter them. Additionally, the advanced search functionality helps admins save time. With MR118, you can also enable Cloud PBX admins to play audio files directly from a custom web portal. When configuring auto-attendant prompt or voicemail greetings, admins can listen to audio files right in the browser to confirm that the correct audio file is being used. In the background, the web app sends an API request to PortaSwitch to fetch the prompt in the format supported by web browsers. With this update, you can develop competitive portals that allow PBX users to verify audio prompts quickly and easily. Our next update will be helpful if your system handles large volumes of vendor CDRs, also called XDRs. By default, XDRs are achieved automatically at each reconciliation period, for example monthly, to store call information beyond its time in the database. However, this process can consume significant system resources. With this release, you can now disable XDR queuing for vendors. This helps reduce system load and prevents slowdowns in the web interface. It keeps your system running smoothly even when a vendor's reconciliation period ends. Finally, an exciting update for the Brazilian market. The admin, reseller, and representative web interfaces are now available in Brazilian Portuguese. This enables your employees and partners to navigate the system in their native language, making it easier to provide seamless customer support and connect with Brazilian Portuguese-speaking markets. That wraps up the highlights of Maintenance Release 118. For more details on each feature, click the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.